Have you ever wondered how your phone's voice assistant just asterisk gets asterisk you? Or how your email magically sorts out spam? What about those instant translation apps that break down language barriers in real time? It all feels like a bit of magic, right? But what if I told you it's not magic? It's something even more incredible, a field of artificial intelligence called natural language processing, or NLP. See, computers are brilliant with numbers and code, their native tongue. But human language, it's a whole different ballgame. NLP is the technology that teaches computers to understand, interpret, and even generate human language in a way that's both meaningful and useful. Let's break down how this works. NLP is a two-way street. It has to break down our sentences into smaller pieces. It identifies the nouns, verbs, and adjectives. It figures out who did what to whom. This process is called parsing, but it doesn't stop there. It also has to understand the asterisk intent asterisk behind our words. When you ask your smart speaker, "What's the weather like?" NLU deciphers that you're not just asking for a random string of words, you're making a request for specific information. It's about grasping the meaning, not just the grammar. The other side of the coin is natural language generation, or NLT. This is the output part. Once the machine has understood your request, it needs to formulate a reply in clear, human-like language. The goal of NLG is to make the computer's response sound natural and conversational, not robotic. Things like urgent, free, or lots of exclamation points. Another huge one is search engines. When you type a question into Google, you're not typing computer code. You're using natural language. The search engine uses NLP to understand the intent of your query and find the most relevant web pages, even if they don't use the exact same words you did. And of course, we have to talk about voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These are perhaps the most famous examples of NLP in action. They combine both understanding and generation. Then, NLU kicks in to figure out what you want. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Play my workout playlist. Who was the first person on the moon? Once it understands, it performs the action and uses NLG to give you a verbal confirmation. Today's tools, like Google Translate, use advanced NLP models called neural networks. Is a product review positive, negative, or neutral? Companies use this all the time to gauge public opinion about their brands and products from social media posts and reviews. They can track customer satisfaction in real time and quickly address any negative feedback. It's like having a finger on the pulse of the entire internet. Researchers are working on making NLP even more nuanced and human-like. One major goal is to help machines understand things like sarcasm, humor, and irony, which are still very challenging. Imagine a chatbot that can actually get your jokes. We're also seeing NLP being used in more and more critical fields. In healthcare, it's helping doctors analyze medical records and research papers to find crucial information faster, potentially leading to better diagnoses and treatments. In education, it's powering personalized learning tools that can adapt to a student's individual needs.